Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody is doing good today. I hope everybody's staying safe out there. This is April of 2020. We currently have a horrible pandemic going on, and I just want to make sure that everybody is staying safe. You're doing your social distancing. Please, you're washing your hands. Please, I want to make sure that everybody is able to comment down below with me. I really care about every one of you. And I got some great news the other day. So, you know, all this horrible news on the TV that we're seeing, and I got some great news. I was debating on waiting, but we don't know when this thing's going to end. So I'm going to bring to you my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm so excited. I reached 2,000 subscribers. I never thought I would hit 1,000 subscribers. So from the bottom of my heart, NOI here thanks you all so much. Every single minute you watch is so appreciated. Every thumbs up I see, thank you, thank you, thank you. Every comment, I love hearing about you, hearing from you in your comments. Today, this is going to be 3 gel polish sets, 1 per winner. So 3 people will win a gel polish set from Modelones. It's either going to be one of the collections from Secret Garden, one of the collections from Midnight Party, or the Retro Lady collection. It's going to be one of these 3 collections. These are one of the bottles from each. And these are going to be my rules. But first, let me show you the other prize. 5 people all together are going to win. It doesn't matter if you're in the US, if you're in Canada, if you're in the UK, if you're anywhere in the world, you can enter this giveaway. But you must, most important, be visibly subscribed to me right here. There'll be more detailed instructions down below, but this is basically everybody who comes here every week with me knows these kind of things with me. It's going to be a one-time ship. I won't have anybody's tracking information for the winners. We'll have to email me their name and address, and I believe Modelones wants a phone number. I'll check with that before the winner's video is up. And winners' videos will always be linked below, so save this video. So as soon as that video is ready, it will be down there. I want to thank Modelones for sponsoring that portion of the giveaway. They are also offering a free mask with every order through, I believe it's all of April of 2020. They may extend it, I don't know. You have to write code MK001 in your order form, not in the little note section. There's like a little note section. Just enter it there. It's not a code. The code for this channel is Nails of Interest. Just like that. It'll save you at least 10% on every order from them. So feel free to use that. Maybe we'll get more giveaways. 5 people will win. So 2 people that don't get gel polishes will still get an awesome nail art pack from me. When you get it, there'll be my little logo sticker on the back. You'll notice I won't have your name inside because as soon as I'm done filming this, even before I edit, I'm going to seal up all 5 envelopes. So I won't know who gets what, no favoritism, nothing like that. There's going to be 1 pack of gorgeous glitter. They're all different. These were in pots. I just simply put them in a bag. And this is from Yayoge.com. And you can use code NAILS 10% off, all caps, to save there. And these companies are all listed down below. And each pack's going to vary. Each little envelope nail art pack is going to vary a little bit. There's going to be a wide variety of foils, some pictures, some colored, some metallics, and then there'll be some nail stickers in there as well. Because I know everybody watching me uses different things, a different variety of things, so I'm just trying to make it all very different. There's going to be at least 2 nail foils, traditional nail foils in here. There's going to be some nail charms. These are little snowflake ones. There's got to be some striped tape in there, of course. Different colors. I tried to pick some unique colors that I found. Like this is like a black shimmery one. It's really cool looking. There's going to be some bling. I believe each one has 2 packs. I already sealed up the other 4, so I can't remember what I put in there. They each are going to have some type of blings. They're going to be at least one like this and one like this. Then of course I have a lot of regular nail polish users, so I've put a lot of nail vinyls in there. These are like really high quality nail vinyls, the real vinyls. Then I have the paper type that I really find really intriguing myself, the different shapes. All that I ask for you to do is be visibly subscribed. You have to be 18 or whatever your legal age is where you live, or have your parents' permission or guardian's permission. This giveaway is going to run from today, April 9th, 2020, through Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. It's going to end at noon Eastern Daylight Savings Time in the US. So look at New York time, and that's what time it will end. I believe I have everything covered. Oh yes, and my game was to go back to those 3 videos that I have linked up here. The Retro Lady, the Secret Garden, and the Midnight Party, and leave a comment on those videos. Even if you already did, leave a comment, something that you like about the collection, something you don't like about the collection. It could be about the color, it could be about the bottle, it could be about the box. It could be, hey, Model Ones, why don't you make a collection with these colors in it? Why don't you make a collection with, say you want all glitters, say you want all holographic, say you want all creams of a certain color, say you want whatever. Just give me a comment on each of those videos. 3 videos, I just need a comment. It doesn't cost you a single penny. This is not sponsored by YouTube. YouTube's terms and conditions will be down below as required for every single giveaway on YouTube. I think I've covered everything. If I've missed something, I'll put it on the screen or down below. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. Please enjoy this. Before the video posts, I will have a post on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter that if you could please share that for me, I really would appreciate it. If you can go around and share any of my videos, I would really appreciate that. Sharing is the best way for your friends to find other channels that you love and things that you love, maybe products that you love. You could even hint, hey, I really like this. My birthday's coming up. Hint. You know, somebody might buy it for you. I do that myself. The 5th and final rule is just to simply state, enter me down below. Anywhere in your comment, that's fine, I'll get it. If I don't heart your comment and reply to you, I simply haven't seen your comment. YouTube makes them go bye-bye sometimes, I don't know. They go in outer space. I think I've got everything covered here. I hope everybody has fun with this. Have a great day, anyone. Any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help you with it. Have a great day and be safe out there, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.